Hello, Hyde first graders. It's Miss Garcia here again. We are going to go through a tutorial today to log on to something called Khan Academy. Khan Academy is something that we as a first grade are going to be using for completing some math lessons and getting some things done through this resource that is provided by our district. There's a couple ways that you can get there, so we are going to go through both of them. And the first way that I'm going to get there is through the portal. So again, if you go to portal.usd259.net, and then I am going to continue to pretend like I am Davis Whitney. Thank you to Davis for letting me use his information for these videos. So if I pretend like I'm Davis, I'm going to type in my username and my password. And once I do that, I'm going to click go. And then all of my tiles are going to pop up just as they did before. So some of them are covered by me down here in the corner, but the one that we're looking for is right here. So it's kind of a turquoise color, and it's called Khan, K-H-A-N, Khan Academy. So if you click this, it is going to take you to their website, and when you open up their website, it looks like this. The first step that you're going to want to do is you are going to want to click sign up. So if you click sign up there, then you're going to scroll down. You're going to say that you are a learner and that you have a class code. So the class codes are also found on our website, and they're right there. There's one for the 3 first grade teachers. So there's one for me, one for Miss Meisch, and one for Miss Stark. So I'm going to, again, pretend like I'm in my own class and that I'm Davis. So my class code is, I'm going to copy it down here, K9 C9 792V. And once I click that, I'm going to click add, and it says Miss Garcia. Then you are going to log into an existing account because we have usernames and passwords already created for you, and we will be sharing these with you guys. So if I'm Davis, I'm going to pretend like I'm Davis, so my username is Davis W763, and all first graders' passwords, no matter whose class you're in, no matter who your teacher is, your password's going to be Hyde Beagles, HYDEBEAGLES, and then I'm going to log in. So once I log in, I'm going to be directed to my dashboard. So you have to say, yes, you agree that you're going to use this and you're going to start learning. I'm going to move myself over here. And when you click start learning, you can click over here to see assignments. And when you see your assignments, let me make this, you can scroll down and you can see all the assignments that we have posted for you. It's not letting me scroll down, but there are a multitude of assignments that we've already assigned you. These are things that we were working on in first grade before spring break and things that we were going to continue on afterwards. I'm not going to click on any of these because I don't want to mess with any of Davis's things, but all you do is click it. Most of them have videos and activities, and you just follow right along with what it directs you to do. So that is one way to access Khan Academy, and that is through the portal. Another way that you can do this, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to log out, is, so I'm going to close all these other things. I'm going to log out, close this tab. Another thing that you can do is if you don't want to go through the portal, which is totally fine, the next way I'm going to show you is a little bit shorter and a little bit easier. It kind of just skips the steps of going through the portal, is to go to khanacademy.org/join. And when you click that, it's going to direct you to the exact same page that we were just at. And then again, you're going to walk through the same steps. You're going to click sign up. I'm going to move myself back over here. And you're going to say you're a learner. You're going to say that you have a class code. You are going to get your class code from the website. So again, if this is me, this is K9C9 792V. And I'm going to add, this is Miss Garcia's class. I'm going to log into an existing account, and I'm going to do the same thing as what I did before. And then again, everyone's password is Hyde Beagles, all lowercase, HYDEBEAGLES. You log in. It takes you to the exact same page that we were just on. It takes you to your little dashboard. So you can, and you're just going to say, yay, woohoo, I'm going to keep going. So you can click on your assignments. Here we go. It's going to let me scroll down this time. You can scroll down. You can see all the things that we have assigned you so far. Please know, students and parents, right now you have 20 lessons that are assigned. We do not expect you to get 20 lessons done in a week. This is just kind of a good starting point, and these are some things that hopefully we remember from doing before we left for spring break. Again, just like when on the video when I talked about the portal, please pace yourself. Please don't feel like you need to be on here working all day, every day, 24/7, getting things done. We're going to go through and we're going to assign little by little. If you can get on and get some of these things done, that's great. If you're finding that it's very difficult, please break it down and take your time. Don't feel like there's any sort of pressure. Everything that we're assigning, the due date and time is just May 21st, which is the last day of first grade. So you can use this as just an extra resource for things that your kids can be doing at home so that they're continuing to work on and build those math skills for the next school year. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to myself, Ms. Stark, or Ms. Meisch, and we would be happy to assist you and kind of guide you through this process as we are all learning together. Thank you for watching.